About myself. My name is Nero. I am a girl. I am 21 years old. I am a pupil. I am in the third form. I live in United States. I am tall. I have green eyes and dark hair. I have a family. My family is big. I have a mother, a father, a sister, and a brother. My mother is a teacher. My father is a driver. I go to school every day. Usually I have 5 lessons. My favorite subject is maths. I am a good pupil. My hobby is swimming. I also like to read books and go for a walk with my dog Sam. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next lesson.